I have this simple Python code here that uses pandas. If I try to run this via the editor, or if you just try to run this using terminal or command prompt like this, you'll get an error that says model not found, no model named pandas. That's because pandas is not installed. So to install pandas, what you can do is you can just run this command, pip install and then pandas, and hit enter. Now if you get an error that says pip is not installed or not found, that means that pip is not added to path or not installed. Check the link in the description. It will show you how you can install pip. Let's wait till this pandas is installed. After pandas is successfully installed, you just run this again, and this time you'll not see the error. As you can see, it is processing and we have an output. So this is how you can install pandas. Now a standard practice is to install pandas in virtual environment. If you want to learn how to do that, check the link in the description below.